Namaste, dear parents. One of the initiatives that Chitrakoota has taken in the year 23-24 is the concept of expert workshops. Now, these workshops are conducted for students who are a little older, that is maybe from 5th standard to 10th standard. We have already started a couple of sessions for the older children. Now, this Saturday, that is 29th July, we are trying to give the first workshop for students of 5th and 6th standard. Now, these expert workshops are conducted by resource people who are experts in their own fields, and they will be covering some topics which children may not study as a part of the school curriculum. So now, this Saturday's expert workshop topic is the art of storytelling. Now, as you know, communication is key nowadays, and effective communication is very important for everybody. This storytelling is the foundation for effective communication. So I'm sure that all our students are going to enjoy this workshop, and renowned storytellers Mrs.Rekha Babu and Mrs. Seema Karanth will be conducting these sessions. So please encourage your children to fill the form. We have sent a note today. We have sent a link through which you can fill the form. And please encourage your children to attend this workshop. And all the very best to all of you and your children. Please listen to what Mrs. Rekha Babu has to say about the workshop. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rekha. Seema Karanth and myself are extremely happy to be part of the workshop that is to be conducted for grade 5 and 6 by Chitrakoota on Saturday. The topic that we have chosen is storytelling. And why storytelling? It's so important. It's an important tool for the communication process. It's been rightly said that if you tell a fact, the children learn, but if you tell a story, it lingers on in their heart for a long time. So we plan to engage the children through this process of storytelling, and a lot of activities are also designed as a follow-up of the story. And we look forward for the participation of the children in this workshop. Thank you.